you got it on video and you're
I'm on video.
When you're recording.
I'm recording.
Okay, what I'm about to do right here is check for vacuum leaks using a cigar. Now, in your car, if you have devices operated by vacuum and you have a little bit of a vacuum leak, it could be a nightmare tracing it down, especially if you have a lot of vacuum lines. And in an old car like this, 50-year-old car, a lot of the vacuum lines, if they haven't been replaced, are old and brittle and can leak. Even though they don't look like they're broken or cracked, they still can be. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to check one section of this vacuum line to see if I have any leaks in it. And using a cigar, what I do is take a puff of the smoke, and I'll blow that same smoke in the vacuum line and see where it comes out in the system. Okay, looks like I don't have any leaks up top, but just to show you if I did, I'm gonna pull the cap right off of that blocked off nozzle on top of the manifold and show you that it should come through there. So if you have a broken vacuum line, a crack or something like that, smoke will go right where the open part is, and that's how you can find a vacuum leak the old school way, using a cigar. And the great thing about that is it's a 99-cent cigar, and after you're done you get to smoke the cigar.
Okay.